it's Ashley from Latitude Reviews, and today we're unboxing the Ipsy Glam bag for July. Can you believe it's July? Wow, the time is just flying by me. Anyway, this is their Stay Golden package. If you're not familiar with Ipsy, it's a monthly beauty subscription. They have a bunch of different options for you. This is their lightest. It's $12 a month. You're going to get samples and full-size items, but mostly samples and things like that, just to try and stuff. And everyone comes in a cool little Ipsy bag. Now, FYI, they do send this to me for review. Also, another disclaimer, before I get in here and start opening up, I have to be completely honest. When Ipsy sends this to me, because it is a review package, they also send me the Glam Bag Plus. If you're not familiar with that, that's like the step up from this. It's $25 a month. They don't separate anything, so I don't always know when I open. So this is what came in this bag. I don't always know until afterwards that something wasn't meant to be in here. And so if I do find that out, have some, give me some grace, guys, okay? I'll put it down in the description and you can check it down there. Because they don't separate, and then I'm like, oh no, that wasn't in there. No. So I want you to know before we get in. But anyway, here we go. The bag this month is gorgeous. It says Stay Golden. So if you've ever seen The Outsiders, you know all about that Stay Golden pony boy. But it also has this kind of, I feel like it has an Atlantis theme. Do you know what I mean? Look at the medallion on the zipper pull. It's like very like, oh, ocean treasure. You know what I mean? Like, I think it's cool. So we open it up, and then inside we have a ton of stuff. That's why I'm not sure if all this is supposed to be in here. Irregardless, we're going to keep opening. We're going to pull it all out and take it apart and look at it all. I am also going to link to Ipsy. Even though Ipsy does send this to me for a review, I do not get affiliate commission off of it. There's no money involved. They just send me the product. I will also link to my blog where I'm going to go in depth and stuff. And we'll do a price breakdown. I try to do it with these Ipsy bags, but it's kind of hard because it's sample size. So the Ipsy Plus is a little easier. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? You got me? All right, fam. Let's keep going. All right, so first up we have the Nomad Cartagena Magica. This is an intense eyeshadow. The Nomad, their like packaging is like super cool. I like it. I wear this dress because I'm making videos, and I'm thinking I have to go out after this, and I kind of want to change. Like, I just want to wear jeans and a t-shirt today. It's been raining here all day. We'll see. Anyway, here is the eyeshadow. It's a little guy. Definitely belongs in this. Super golden, beautiful for summer. Definitely a summer type product. I will give that a shot. I do like the Nomad. They sent out like the Nomad, the palette. It was like named after a beach or something. They were all named after beaches. I actually am wearing it right now. It's beautiful. I love it. So anyway, that's really nice. Very pretty color. I mean, like, can you go wrong though? It's golden in a golden bag. I always used to joke that none of the Ipsy themes match like the items, but they kind of do, right? All right, then we have the Artist Couture Silky Lip Oil. Lip oil is everywhere. I've gotten lip oil in like, not that I'm complaining. I really like lip oil. Did I open it? But it's just like, it's everywhere now. Ooh, it's pretty. Let's smell it. Looks like it smells like watermelons. Delicious silky lips. Okay, I don't know. There it goes. Oh, it does kind of smell like sugar. It's very sugary. Look at that applicator. I love that. And that's in there. All right, I'm excited to try that. I love to. Most lip oils are huge. They're those long tubes. This is smaller, so you can kind of put it in your pocket and put it on like you would lipstick. Because sometimes I don't want to wear lipstick. I don't know. Like, I just don't always like to wear lipstick. All right, then we have, this is from First Aid Beauty. This is their Pores Be Gone Matte Primer with fig extract. It is oil-free and safe for sensitive skin. So that's a little guy. I'm trying to figure out if something doesn't belong in here. Anyway, I'm just trying to be honest, guys, okay? All right. Next up we have, from Hip Dot. Hip Dot is a brand I found out about in Box Tea, I think, maybe? I don't know. But they have cute stuff. Like, look at the packaging. Isn't that cute? It's like very 70s, like that like kind of like over the top, kind of not tacky, but you know what I mean. It has like it knows it's flaunting what it has, right? So this is their Red Moon, and I'm guessing this is a blush, just a guess. Wow, is that a blush? If it is, it's super pigmented. Like, wow. I mean, you go in light. Now, obviously, once you're using a brush, it's not gonna look like that. But that's, I'm guessing that's a blush. Hip Dot Red Moon. I'm just gonna act like I knew what I was talking about there. All right, second to last. This is the Briogeo Superfoods Avocado and Kiwi Mega Moisture Hair Mask. I can't get enough of this kind of stuff. I love hair masks. My hair is so dry, and it doesn't matter. Like, okay, so FYI guys, if you have dry hair, most people, like one of my daughters has to wash her hair every day because her like roots start to look like oily. It's kind of actually pretty gross. My hair will never get oily. Like, it never gets oily. I could leave it like a week. So this kind of stuff, even though it makes me have to wash my hair more frequently, like every other day, or every 3 days, it makes my hair just look healthier, like it's not thirsty. My hair always looks like it's thirsty naturally, but then I put stuff in it. My other daughter's just like me though, and can go, believe me, she tests it out. She's pushing it with like the teenager thing, and like she'll go like I'm like, Penny, when's like the last time you washed your hair? Because you need to. Anyway, FYI, TMI. All right, keeping it up. And by the way, Briogeo, I've worked with them in the past. They're an amazing company. All their products are like clean. It's very good stuff. So I'm excited to try this. I have not tried this. I did. Do you remember that banana shampoo? Oh my god, I love that banana. You could just eat it. It was like the smoothie line they came out with. It was amazing. Oh, all right. Anyway, keeping it going. My last item in here is the this is a Kat Von D, is it? It's gotta be. It looks just like the KVD Beauty. Yes. All right, this is their cake pencil, intensely rich long eyewear in Trooper Black 10. I know we're not supposed to like Kat Von D anymore, right? Oh, it broke off. Ooh, there's that. So there it is. It's kind of really pasty feeling, actually. I'm not sure if I like that. The tattoo liner was good, but I don't like this. We'll see. Anyway, so this is all the items. I believe it may just be, FYI, it may just be these items that came in my Ipsy. This may be a plus item, but I'm not very sure. So I'm going to check after the video and put it all down in the description. But anyway, irregardless, I've said that twice in this video and I don't like that. I don't like that a lot. $12, you get all these items. They're really amazing. Check it out. It's so pretty. Perfect for summer and a great way to get yourself into beauty boxes without spending an arm and a leg if you're not really into that or can't afford it, which, you know, who really can? Anyway, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.